10-ton per day capacity 2-pipe machine. This machine is designed to make 10 ton of ice tubes every day per 24 hours. And that capacity is based on 30 degrees Celsius ambient temperature, 20 degrees Celsius water temperature. It's equipped with one Refcomp piston compressor. This is the Refcomp piston compressor. Water cooling condenser. This is the water cooling condenser. It's supposed to be connected with the water cooling tower like that. This is the liquid receiver, oil separator, heat exchanger, accumulator, and this is the tube ice generator. It's heat insulated and then covered by stainless steel plates. That is much better than using black foam. This is the control panel. It's made of stainless steel, and the machine steel frame is also made of stainless steel, like this. That is much better than using galvanized carbon steel. The machine is plug and play. It's ready for ice making after collect with water and power.